Good morning, parents. Hope all is well. I know things are really crazy over here on our end, but I just wanted to give you a idea of what the expectation is right now. And just please note that things may change as we go about these next 13 days of online instruction, given that a lot of us don't have access to internet each day and things like that. So we're just going to, as my kids say, go with the flow. So I wanted to give you an updated outline of kind of what I've put together for each day. We'll look at the first day together here. As you can see on this chart, for Wednesday, March 18th, the expectation for reading is going to be for your child to read at least 30 minutes independently. They can read from their library books, the books that came home in the Ziploc baggie from Ms. Benton, or they can read any books they have at home. Now, another thing that will come with that is after they've read, I'd like for them, if possible, to respond to the prompt that I place on Google Classroom, which I'll tell you about in just a second. Another option they're going to have is they can watch a read aloud from my Google Classroom post. I'm going to be trying to read aloud a book each day, or they can watch a storybook online, which the information for that is in their folder. So that'll be the reading expectation every day, especially for that first day. As for writing, the expectations for writing will change each day. For this first day, they're going to create a new character for a realistic fiction piece using their My Character graphic organizer that's in their blue folder. So on that organizer, they're going to do all of these things here. They're going to draw a picture, name their character, tell some things about the character, and then give a setting. So that's the expectation for writing on Wednesday. It will change each day. As for math, we are going to continue with our Eureka Math, so we're going to start Module 6, which all of Module 6 is a review of what we've done this year. We just start using some larger two-digit numbers. So we're going to start Module 6, Lesson 1 on Wednesday. They can follow the link to from their Google Classroom post to be able to find the lesson. Right now we're going with the YouTube lessons, but Great Minds is telling us that they're going to be opening up some lessons from Eureka's website itself, so be looking for those. In their blue folder, they will have their stapled packet that's already dated for them with their problem set and exit ticket. Some of the lessons also have an application problem, but as for this lesson on Wednesday, there's only the problem set and the exit ticket. There will be an additional expectation, if access to Google Classroom is available, to post their response to the exit ticket on the Google Classroom post that will be available. Now, as for science and social studies, these are more optional, but I would highly encourage them. Mystery Science is a great resource. The kids love them. All of those links can be found online or in their blue folder, as well as Scholastic. They have some great free online resources as well. And then I've created this general column here for just additional learning options. So as for Wednesday, they have a login for Smarty Ants in their blue folder. If they could spend 30 minutes on that online reading program. And as I'd mentioned, the login information is in their blue folder. So that's just the idea for Wednesday. I'll be sending this out each week, so you'll have the idea for each day. But the way you're really going to stay informed is through our Google Classroom. So the way that you do that is just going into your Chrome browser and typing in Google Classroom, and it will come up as an app just if you use Drive or things like that, and it automatically logged me in. The students do have their login information available on the front cover of their blue folder, but they'll come in here, and as you can see, I posted a note that says there's no work Tuesday. We'll start our online class on Wednesday. I do miss them already. This is a very trying time for us all. So what I'm going to do is every morning at 7 a.m. on our weekdays, the reading prompt, the math prompt, and at times we'll have a writing prompt will open on our Google Classroom here, and that prompt will close promptly at 11:59 the day of. So as you can see, I've already scheduled some things to come out to them. For example, the exit ticket you'll be seeing tomorrow will have the link to follow, and then it'll have a form for them to fill out, completing their exit ticket for the day. As for reading, I've already scheduled some fun little responses to their books for their 30-minute session of reading that day. I'll be sending lots of videos. Please bear with me and don't get too annoyed with contact. It's very hard having to teach young kiddos from a distance. So if you have any questions, you have my cell phone number. Please don't hesitate to text or call me at any time. Be on the lookout for more information as it comes available. Thank you.